Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Jury's World. Today I'm going to give you the MCQs from your chapter Nelson Mandela, class 10. As we know, Nelson Mandela became the first black president of South Africa and he fight against apartheid. Apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race. And Nelson Mandela and his African National Congress spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid. And also Mandela had spent long 30 years in prison. Finally, democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994 and Mandela became the first black president of the new nation. So, from this chapter, today we are going to give you the MCQs. Yes, this is an extract from his autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, where he speaks about the historic occasion of the inauguration ceremony. So let's see the questions. What is the full name of Nelson Mandela? Nelson Really Lala Mandela, Nelson B. Mandela, N.B. Mandela, none of these. What is Nelson Mandela's full name? Nelson Mandela's full name is Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. So it is A. 2. Who became the first black president of South Africa? Robert Clark, Nelson Mandela, Obama, Bill Clinton. The first black president of South Africa was Nelson Mandela. What is apartheid? Apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race, strength, height or none. Apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race. 4. Which of the three countries named below had such a political system called apartheid until very recently? United States of America, South Africa, Australia, none of these. This is South Africa. Question 5. Mandela and his African National Congress spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid, blacks, both A and B and none. Mandela and his African National Congress spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid. 6. What is an autobiography? As we come to know, this chapter is an extract from his autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, isn't it? So, what is an autobiography? The story of a person's life written by that person, or the story of a person's life written by others, both A and B or none. An autobiography is the story of a person's life written by that person. So, it is A. Question 7. How many years had Nelson Mandela been imprisoned for the fighting for freedom? Long 30 years, 20 years, 10 years or 5 years? Nelson Mandela had to spend 30 years in prison. So it is 30 years. 8. Nelson Mandela's African National Congress, ANC, party owned 252 of the 400 seats in the first democratic election in South Africa's history. The democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994, 1944, 1999 and 2000. The democratic election were held in South Africa in 1994. So answer will be A. Question 9. Nelson Mandela speaks about a historic occasion in his autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom. What was that? The inauguration ceremony? Birthday, prison day or none? This is the inauguration ceremony. So answer will be A. 10. Mention the right articles that published in the newspaper on 10th May. ANC party won 252 seats of the 400 seats in the first democratic election in South Africa. The ceremony was attended by politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries. More than 1 lakh South African men, women and children of all races sang and danced with joy. And all of the above. Which will be the answers? From that article you come to know that definitely ANC party won 252 seats of 400 seats, and also the ceremony was attended by politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries, and more than 1 lakh people from South African men, women and children of all races, white and blacks, sang and danced with joy. So answer will be D, all of the above. What happened on May 10th, 1994? Inauguration ceremony took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheatre in Pretoria, largest gathering ever of international leaders on South African soil. It gets the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. All of the above. Answer will be all of the above. This is the oath-taking day, isn't it, of Nelson Mandela? And this inauguration ceremony took place in the Sandstone Amphitheatre in Pretoria, and this is the largest gathering ever of international leaders on South African soil. It gets the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. So answer will be D. 12. Some true facts about Long Walk to Freedom. A. Long Walk to Freedom is an autobiography written by South African President Nelson Mandela. It talks about ceremonies and citations from his speech about his journey of being a freedom fighter. It's about their fight against apartheid. All of the above. Answer will be all of the above. It is an autobiography, A Long Walk to Freedom. 13. Who was accompanying him in the ceremony? His daughter Zinani, his son, his wife Hanan. He was accompanied with his daughter Zinani to the oath ceremony. So answer will be A. 14. What is the dream of Nelson Mandela for the future of South Africa? Free from poverty and discrimination, free from fight, free from everything and none. Definitely Nelson Mandela's dream was, future dream was to free from poverty and discrimination. This is poverty, is it? This is not property, this is poverty. Okay, you just correct it. P-O-V-E-R-T-Y, poverty. 15. The system of racial domination against the black of South Africa has been overturned in the last decade of 20th century, in the 18th century, in the first decade of 20th century, and none. The system of racial domination against the black of South Africa has been overturned in the last decade of 20th century. So answer will be A. 16. What was it that the nation needed to be liberated from? Poverty, gender discrimination, deprivation, or all of the above? Definitely, the nation needed to be liberated from poverty, gender discrimination, and deprivation. So answer will be D, all of the above. 17. The structure they created formed the basis of one of the harshest, most inhuman societies of the world has ever been known. What structure is Mandela talking about? Racial domination against the black-skinned people in South Africa, poverty and suffering, discrimination against poor, none of the above. This is the racial domination against the black-skinned people in South Africa. The praying of two national anthem that day symbolizes for whom? Nelson Mandela, Zinani, de Klerk, or Thabo Mbeki. This is definitely the praying two national anthem is a symbol. That is a symbol for respect. Nelson Mandela. So answer will be A. 19. What are the two anthems sung on that ceremony represents? The white singing Nkosi Sikelel' iAfrika, black sings Dice Team, both A and B, none of the above. On that day, the two anthems, both white and black sing Nkosi Sikelel' Africa by the whites and black sing Dice Team. So answer will be C, both A and B. 20. What created deep and lasting wound in South Africa? The policy of apartheid, self-system, poverty and poor. This was the policy of apartheid, created deep and lasting wound in South Africa. 21. Whom did Mandela wanted to thank but could not? African patriots who were no longer existed, white people, government or none. Mandela wanted to thank African patriots who were no longer existed. So answer will be A. 22. What unintended effect did the decades of oppression and brutality had? Created men of extraordinary courage, wisdom and generosity, poverty and suffering, fight against people of Africa, both A and B. Unintended effect that the decades of oppression and brutality had created men of extraordinary courage, wisdom and generosity. So answer will be A. Mandela's country is rich in minerals and gems that lie beneath its soil, but its greatest wealth is its people, finer and truer than the purest diamond, gold, silver, none. This is diamond. Answer A. 24. From whom Mandela learned the meaning of courage, his parents, his comrades in struggle, teachers, himself. Mandela learned the meaning of courage from his comrades. B. This is single M, okay. According to Mandela, courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man does feel afraid, but he does that fear. Skip, deny, mind or conquers. According to Mandela, courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. And the brave man does feel afraid, but he conquers that fear. So answer will be D. Question 26. What are the twin obligations of man? A. Obligations to his family, his parents, to his wife and children. B. Man has an obligation to his people, his community, his country. C. Both A and B. D. None. Definitely, according to Nelson Mandela, man has twin obligations, and these are obligation to his family, to his parents, to his wife and children, and also man has an obligation to his people, his community, and his country. So answer will be C, both A and B. 27. How did Mandela's hunger for freedom change his life? Transform a frightening young man into a bold one, drove a law-abiding attorney to become a criminal, turned a family-loving husband into a man without a home, forced a life-loving man to live like a monk. All of the above. Definitely, Mandela's hunger for freedom changed his life totally. He became transformed, a frightened young man into a bold one, and also drove a law-abiding attorney to become a criminal, turned a family-loving husband into a man without a home, and forced a life-loving man to live like a monk. So, answer will be all of the above. His hunger for freedom changed his life in this way. So, answer will be E. 28. A man who takes another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred, patriot, criminal, or rude. A man who takes another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. So, answer will be A. 29. Who, according to Mandela, are alike, robbed by their humanity? The oppressors, the oppressed, B, A and B, and none. According to Mandela, are both oppressor and oppressed are alike and robbed of their humanity. So answer will be C. Both A and B means answer C. 30. Who is not free according to Mandela? Oppressor, oppressed, both A and B and none. According to Mandela, both oppressor and oppressed are not free. So answer will be C. So these are some of the multiple choice questions from your chapter Nelson Mandela. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.